Community voice.
Chased us till we jump the fence. It's a dark life. I wanna lead a dark life.
I'm here at the Iowa City Dog Paddle at City Park Pool in Iowa City, Iowa, and this is my friend Tank. Tank is visiting from Cedar Rapids here to enjoy a very special event in which they open up the City Park Pool for dogs to go swimming. As you can see, lots of dogs are having a wonderful swim. It's the end of the pool season. Everyone got to use the pool this hot summer, but in the dog days of summer, we open the pool up to the dogs. The dogs get to... Tank, what do you say? You want to take another swim? All right.
It's a dark life. I wanna lead a dark life.
Here you go, Tank.
It's a dark life. I wanna lead a dark life. I wanna lead a dark life. London woods.
So in 2002, I was looking on a listserv, a national listserv about dog parks, and saw something about another town doing an event where dogs went swimming in the pool. And I called, I talked to our board about it, and we all thought it was great. So I called Terry Trueblood, who's the director of Parks and Recreation, and said, can we do this? And he said, I don't see why not. So we organized the event for that year, and we didn't know if anybody would come, if it would, you know. So we had 350 dogs our first year. And so the next year then, and ever since then, we've had a 2-day event because, you know, everybody said, we want to do it again, we want to do it again, and because we had so many dogs. So we've been doing this since 2002. It's a fundraiser for the dog park and for JC Dog Pack, which is the nonprofit organization that helps to run the dog park, and it was instrumental in building the dog park, working with the city.
I have an energy, mostly. Alright. Hold. Hold. Don't worry about that little one. Don't worry about that little one.
Well, I grew up in Iowa City and I've always been a dog owner. We came here with Busted Chops, my dog. He's 9 months old. He loves to swim. We found that out because we were swimming in the quarries and then also the muddy pond at the dog park. Yeah, when we come here, he just jumps right in and goes right for all of the tennis balls. He tries to get 2 in one mouth, which really doesn't work. He likes to make sure all of the dogs are in the pool or either out, and if they're anywhere else in between, then he barks at them. That's him barking right now. So the dog park is very important because I think it's important for dogs to have that rough play that we can't really give to them. Just running wild, I don't think we can run as wild as they can, and lets their energy out. So, you know, taking them to the woods is another thing, but you know, they may get lost or they may meet other dogs and get into fights. And in the dog park, there's sort of a dynamic that they've established themselves. So that's why I like the dog park.
It's our first time coming to the dog paddle, and we're really excited just because she really likes to swim and she loves other dogs, so we're excited to burn off some of the energy.
So it's for 2 dogs, $14. And I'll give you 6 back. Okay, have you been here before? No. Let me quickly give you the rules. We encourage them to be off-leash, assist them in and out of the pool if they need that. If they should relieve themselves, it's up to you to clean it up. We've got bags out there. You can take them out and come back in through the exit gate if you think they need a break or something. And as long as they're behaving themselves, there are no rules for the dogs.
Dream of you.
in August of 2004, and this was one of the first things I saw in the park bulletin when we got it. And so we came and she had a ball, and so every year we've come back and we have the towel from every year. So this year I'll get the towel too. But Bagel loves to swim, and actually because she's 11, it's really good for her joints as well, because of course swimming for all of us is non-abrasive and it's a good cardiovascular workout, but it's an awesome way to use the pool before they drain it.
Community voice.
I know what city is, but I'm the I know what city is, I know what city